How's it going, everyone? Mike here with Merch by Amazon March 22nd sales update. Just before I dive into these numbers, just want to talk about these daily update videos. People love them. I've received a lot of positive feedback. Basically, people are saying keep doing them no matter what. I talked to somebody, basically said I'd like to put out some other type of material, and more specifically, people were asking me about doing keyword samples using the Merch Titans automation tool. I did one video where it didn't get a lot of views, but basically people love the content, and you guys have sent me a bunch of suggestions, basically just saying, you know what, run these keywords through your search term generator or whatever, just to give you guys some examples, or maybe give you an idea if you're doing things right. So I'm gonna do that. I hate to put out maybe 2 videos a day at times, but I'm not gonna stop the daily videos, daily sales update videos, but I do want to throw in some other stuff that you guys might be interested in. So let's dive into these numbers. Sales for the 22nd, March 22nd, as you can see here, 9 sales. So that's an improvement from the 2 previous days. The 2 previous days, as you can see here, so I'm recording this on the 23rd, so we're here. I had 5, 7, and then yesterday was 9. So that's an improvement. Again, not a crazy day, but still okay. Those 9 sales were all in the U.S. Market. So no sales anywhere else except the U.S. But still, 9 is okay. As you can see here today, and I'll do this another video tomorrow, of course. But Japan right now, I have 3 sales as of this is the morning of the 23rd, and then 1 in the U.S. So Japan is surprising to me at times, and I think Japanese, from what I've seen so far, Japanese people will actually buy products in bulk, because most of the sales have been more than 1 item at a time. So that's pretty interesting. Anyways, I'll save that for tomorrow. So with those 9 sales, and this one today, this month is at 186. So as of March 22nd, I have 185 sales in the US, which is 20 over my previous month, and it is the 22nd. So again, I think my prediction that this is definitely going to go over 200 and maybe be competing with one of the best months this year is completely reasonable, unless sales completely drop off and I start getting 1s and 0s across the board. But this is kind of where the expectation is, which is really, really nice. So let's do total sales across the board. So this is from March 1st to March 22nd across all marketplaces, and the total number is, as you can see here, 226. And as I mentioned yesterday, it's really nice to see sales across every marketplace. As of right now, Japan is standing out compared to these other ones, and I don't think, again, I've mentioned this a few times, there's no strategy going into the Japanese marketplace. Basically what's happening is, I would call this pure luck, right? I'm guessing what would sell. I'm relying on the Merch Titans automation translation tool. So it really is just kind of me saying, you know what, I can imagine this design being worn around the world, and the surprising thing is that I'm wrong. Like, the designs that I actually think would sell do not, and I've been selling a lot of text-based English designs. So English words, English text, and they're text-based designs. A few of these have a graphic in them, which I would say is universal, but even a few of those have actually had the U.S. flag on the design. So I really can't crack it. I can't crack that code yet. I think I would really need to study more about the culture, the trends, and everything else to actually understand what's going on. So I think I'm going to leave it here. Let's just go through this quickly one more time. last 7 days average, this is including the one today, so this is actually higher, so this is hovering around 70. This month's total, 186 sales for the royalties, total royalties of 644, so that's beating the last month. And then I've hit over $3,300 in sales in the US market, and definitely over $4,000 in sales across all markets. And right now I'm hovering around $800 in royalties, which is again pretty amazing. So total number of sales for this month so far until the 22nd is 226. That's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon.